Hello everyone, I am Sudhanshu Mathur. I am here presenting my latest research work based on the topic horticultural crops production in India. As far as our data is concerned, first of all, I take this data from the government website, that is data.gov.in, that is Indian government website. I took this data for the year 2009-10 to 2010-11. So in my first slide, I have present about I compare the production of fruits with the vegetables. The bars which you see is denotes for the fruits, and this orange line is shows for the vegetables. So this is, first of all, this is for 2001 2002. So we can see the for the from 2001 to 2010 the production is continuously increased for vegetables, and very slight increase in from 2001 to 2005, and then there is a gradual increase in the production of fruits also from 2001 to 2010. So this is the first part of the story. After checking this, whether we are growing it or not, the next thing come to my mind is that what are the top producing or the leading producing states of vegetables during 2009-10 to 2010-11. So the next section deals with the top 5 vegetable producing states during the said period. So we find that Bihar is on the top. As you can see, the average vegetable production in 2009-10 is 13,907,000 tons of vegetables produced by Bihar for 2009 and 10 year. But for the next year, it again increases to 14,630,000 tons. So this is really incredible. On the second state, we have found Andhra Pradesh. As you can see, the vegetable production for 2009-10 is just 5,426,000 tons, but it is drastically increased to 11,848 for 2010-11. This is really great achievement of Andhra Pradesh state. On the third state, we have Assam with us. But the important insight which we can capture from this is for Assam, and we observed that for 2009-10 the production of vegetables is quite high, that is 4,570,000 tons, but it is reduced in 2010-11. That is a strange situation for Bihar. And for the last two positions, we have Andaman and Nicobar Islands in Arunachal Pradesh in the list. So this is about the vegetable part. Next, in the next sheet, I find out about the fruits, leading fruit producing states during the said period. And once again, as you can see through this bar chart, Andhra Pradesh for 2009-10, I think it is a record production of 12,918,000 tons, which is quite significant figure. But for 2010-11, it is again falls drastically to 9,417,000 tons. I don't know what the reason is, but you can see there is a considerable fall. Okay. On the second position, we have Bihar again, which shows gradual increase from 2009-10 to 10-11. In 2009-10, you see it is 3,465,000 tons of production of fruits, which increases to 3,912,000 tons in 10-11. On the third position after Bihar, we have Assam again, which shows almost the similar characteristics for both the years. You can see 1,576 fruits were produced for 2009-10 produced, but for 2010-11 it increases to 1,764,000 tons. So this is again a big insight from this data. Then we have Arunachal Pradesh and Andaman and Nicobar Islands on the fourth and fifth state. Next, I am very much interested about the aroma and medicinal plants in this category. So this is the list, and you find new picture that Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan shows a significant growth in this area for aroma and medicinal plants. As I said, as you see, Madhya Pradesh is on the top of the list. 174,000 tons of aroma and medicinal plants were produced for the period 2009 and 10. And for the period 2010-11, it again increases to 201.5 thousand tons. While if we are talking about Rajasthan, so there is a slight decrease if we compare the production of aroma and medicinal plants for 2009-10. It is 148.5 thousand tons, while in case of 10-11 it reduces to 146.2. It is almost same. On the third position we have Andhra Pradesh, and you can see it is 79.9 thousand tons in 2009-10 and 79.9 for the 2010-11. So production remains same for this part. Next is your Chhattisgarh state. Again the same number of production for 2009-10 and for 2010-11 also. And for Tamil Nadu, there is a significant increase in the production of aroma and medicinal plants from 2009-10 to 2010-11.